Are you constantly working on other people's businesses, but your own is stuck in the same place? I've been there. I was busy building systems for clients and had no time to build my own. Then I realized I needed to treat my business like my number one client because you are number one. Treat yourself. That's when I built three key systems that changed everything. And in this training, I'm going to break it down for you the exact systems that you will finally work on your business instead of just in it. So let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Stacia Kennedy, and I help business owners systematize and automate their business so they can scale without burning out. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the biggest mistakes that I've made early on. I used to joke about this being the wife of the cobblers, um, wife of the cobbler who always puts themselves last. But it's not funny anymore. Spending all your time working on someone else's business instead of your own. Nah, no, no, nah, If you're a freelancer or a consultant or an agency owner, you might be making the same mistake without even realizing it. You might be like, oh my gosh, I'm making so much money. I got to work more, work more. No, you got to work smarter. So I'm here to show you and share with you the three powerful systems that help me shift from constantly grinding and I should know better. It's not about the grind, it's not about the hustle, it's about being in flow. But putting these three systems in place, running a business that works for me and not the other way around, it makes everyone happy. So, system number one, automated lead generation. The first system I implemented here was an automated lead generation system. You guys have one? Instead of chasing clients, I built a system where clients came to me, where they continue to come to me. And here's what it looked like: a lead magnet funnel. So you want to definitely have one of those. A simple opt in page is what it looks like, offering a free resource to capture your leads. Someone comes there, they opt in and give you, their name and email. That's an exchange for basically money, you know. And the second step would be having a follow-up nurture sequence. So it's not just one thing to have a lead magnet funnel, but you're going to want to follow up and you want to have a really good system that does that so that you can have automated emails that warm up and build your trust because we're in a trust economy right now and you need to build that trust. And so you'll have nurture sequence and a booking system. I really have a simple calendar that most people you can find it. And if you want to find me, get a hold of me. There's a calendar link below this video or somewhere on my profile. If you're looking for it, you'll find it. And, so having a calendar booking system, I used to use Calendly. Now everything I have, a lead magnet nurture sequence calendar booking system is all in Go High Level. If you haven't heard me talk about it, that software, you can get a free trial. Just click the link in the description. You can have a calendar integration. I have a simple one. There's no opt-in for the calendar. They just go right to it. They can book a call with me on autopilot. And if you book a call with me, you'll also see my automations that come through that are really super cool, that make me stand out, and hopefully you enjoy them. So I went from manually reaching out to leads and hoping my posts will reach some people, and hoping to get any responses, and having actually predictable flow with high quality prospects every week, having those things in place, having those systems in place. So if you're still relying on cold outreach, you're trying to DM people, referrals, and begging people, this system will change your life. So you don't have to do that. Of course, you want to check in on your good, hot prospects, but you want to create a system that you're attracting premium clients. And that's how you're going to do that. System number two, offer and delivery system. You want to have a second system is something that you're going to want to make sure that it's really changed everything for me, streamlining your offer and delivery process. So the biggest mistake I made in the past was relying only on one-on-one services. If you seen, or you can go over to my TikTok, I made a TikTok video on the three multiple streams of income. Well, what I have here is a productized offer. So I was looking around. So I was like, it has to be the offer. And I realized this concept of productizing your offers. I packaged my services into a repeatable offer. So just like a setup package or a coaching program, you want to productize your offers. And then secondly, automated onboarding. So clients automatically receive a welcome email. They get an intake form. They fill out that information, and then the next steps. If you don't have that in place, I had a client who was emailing people like manually. I was like, "What are you doing? Like, you need to have an automated onboarding system to make sure they get the goods and make sure that they are taking care of your client. The very beginning onboarding is super important when you are, having that client experience. You want to make sure that onboarding is top notch. Templates and SOP. I literally SOP everything instead of recreating everything from scratch. If I'm starting a new project or a task, I build out an entire SOP. I build out templates, workflows that save me hours, and then I move that on to someone who can take it on and do better than I do. So if you're spending all your time custom creating things for every new client, you're always going to be stuck in the weeds. So instead of that, you're going to want to create a system that allows you to deliver the results efficiently and scale your business faster. System number 3, you want to have reoccurring revenue and client retention. Finally, this tip right here is the most important shift, because I made the most important shift I made here was moving from one-time payments. See you later. Bam, thank you, ma'am. No, I'm sorry. We want you to have reoccurring revenue, and having a subscription model was life changing. Like for me, that concept was huge. Instead of selling one-off projects, I introduced monthly reoccurring subscriptions like automation, support, coaching, membership. People keep paying me month after month for more stuff. And why not? I love working with those people. Why not get them to pay you month after month and not even think about it? This Part of that is also having a client nurture system where you're regularly checking in on them, checking in on clients, making sure that they have their exclusive resources. They keeps them engaged and keeps them wanting to stay on your subscription service. You can also upsell them to and have a referral system so that because they'll love your service. They're going to want to. I love working with my favorite clients that have big mouths. I always tell one of my friends, Danielle, like, I need to make sure that I'm hanging out with you because you have a big mouth and you'll tell everybody about me, right? I built a automated email sequence that makes sure that we introduce other services and that they are able to refer me to other people. So we have an affiliate program, as well as just making sure that those people who love your services, that they're giving you great testimonials and you're encouraging referrals. So this system completely transformed my business because it gave me predictable income to have reoccurring income instead of starting from zero every month. I know exactly how much revenue is coming in, and that gave me a little bit more freedom. All right. So if you're constantly working on everyone else's businesses, but neglecting your own, hey, Queen Lisa, I want to make sure that you're doing that, doing the thing. You're making sure that you are not neglecting your own business. Take a step back, start implementing these 3 systems. It may be overwhelming, but take a little chunk at a time. Automate your lead generation so clients come to you. Have a offer and system so that you're not trading time for money, and have a recurring revenue system so that you can scale with predictable income. So if you want to see exactly how I set up these systems, I want to invite you to my next masterclass where I'm going to share with you how I accidentally grew 130K plus per year business and much more. My first year, I accidentally made 100K my first time. I was like, oh my God. And this is how I did it, through having a subscription model, having a high ticket consulting business, and affiliate marketing, which is also another added reoccurring revenue too. So not just on SaaS subscription, but having an affiliate marketing business that you love referring people and tools that you love, right? So if you are interested in learning more about that, how you can create simple systems as well and have a consulting business that pays you high ticket consulting and where people actually are paying you for the transformation and the result, then go over to staceyKennedy.com/masterclass. All right. That is my TED Talk. That's my Stacia Talk of the evening. Thanks for watching this video. Much love and aloha. Make sure to comment below systems if you want access to that masterclass. See you on the inside. Much love and aloha. Bye.